Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobe. While it seems the feud between media personality Bonang Matheba and Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture Nathi Mthethwa is not going anywhere. This comes after when Queen Bee lambasted Minister Nathi Mthethwa once again over the lack of financial support towards women's football team Banyana Banyana. Bonang is known not to shy away from voicing out her opinions and going head-to-head with anyone on social media, even if it's a politician, babe. Minister Nathi Mthethwa took it to social media to warmly congratulate Banyana Banyana for qualifying into the finals for Women's Cup of Nations after defeating Zambia in the semi-finals. Nathi took it to Twitter to congratulate Banyana Banyana for winning and wrote, "It is with a deep sense of pride that I congratulate the @Banyana_Banyana Warriors on clinching a spot in the finals of the Women's African Cup of Nations after defeating Zambia in the semi-finals. Your victory is a historic moment for women's football in South Africa. #WFCon. Bonang, our Queen Bee, didn't waste any time as she took it to Twitter streets to lambast the Condolences Minister Mthethwa for the lack of financial support towards Banyana Banyana as compared to the bunch of losers Bafana Bafana. Queen Bee replied to Mthethwa's tweet and tweeted, "Please, these girls deserve money. Open your wallet. I get you want an orchestra. So damn useless. Resign." Trips couldn't agree more with him. One trip said, "They truly deserve money. Women should be rewarded accordingly too. Let's give them what they deserve and see them being empowered." I also agree with Bonang here. They are scamming the players for real, especially Banyana Banyana. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.